Alright, welcome once again to my channel. So this is another airdrop I would like us to participate. So before we go further, I would like us to browse through the white paper of this airdrop. So let's go to the white paper. It's at the top left corner. We'll click on this horizontal line. So we are going to click on white paper. So the white paper says TCC Network is a decentralized blockchain platform that enables users to mine and trade digital assets easily on their mobile devices without requiring specialized hardware. That means there will not be need for external gadgets for mining, just like the way we mine Pi network with just your phone, and it doesn't require any special skill or crypto knowledge to mine. So the project is designed to provide fair financial access to everyone through blockchain technology. So their vision and mission, they said, TCC network aims to become a robust, decentralized financial ecosystem where everyone can participate in the digital economy without technical or financial barriers. Their mission now is to bring blockchain technology to mainstream users, create a fair and energy efficient mining system, provide a secure and fast and reliable trading platforms, support real world applications in digital economy. So number 3, technology. Consensus algorithm. TCC network utilizes the proof of engagement, that's PoE, consensus mechanisms, allowing users to mine based on their level of interaction and contribution to the network rather than consuming computational resources like traditional blockchains. That's interesting. Mobile mining. Users can mine TCC tokens by activating the app daily. You mine every 24 hours, engaging in the community and expanding the network, verifying transaction and contributing to the ecosystem. This mining process does not consume device resources. It won't drain your battery, ensuring energy efficiency while maintaining security and decentralization. That's good. Just like the way we mine Pi network. So, security and transparency. TCC network employs advanced encryption technology to ensure the transaction and user data security. KYC, identity verification, prevent fraud and fake accounts. So there's going to be a time for KYC, but KYC is not on now. But there's going to be a time for KYC. So number 4, we have economic model, which is what? Total supply. The total supply of TCC token is capped at 100 billion tokens, distributed as follows: 80% allocated for community miners, that's we that are participating. 80% of the token will be allocated to us. Now 5% allocated for ecosystem development, so 5% will be for the developers. 6% allocated for the funding team and advisors. 4% allocated for strategic partners and investors. 5% allocated for reserve funds. So distribution mechanism. Initially, the mining rate will be higher to encourage early participants. Over time, mining rewards will gradually decrease, similar to Bitcoin, ensuring token scarcity. So in order for them to make the coin scarce, a time will come that the mining rate is going to reduce. So that's what they are trying to communicate here. Initially, once you participate now, the mining speed will be considerable. You can mine about 40 CC token every 24 hours without referral. But if you want to increase the mining speed, the mining rate, you have to refer people. So once you refer, it will boost your mining speed. And as time goes on, even when you refer, the mining speed, the mining rate will start decreasing so that the token will be scarce. the token need to be scarce for the price to be reasonable. That's what they are trying to communicate. And they made reference to Bitcoin here. So they said the value and awareness of TCC. We do not commit to or guarantee the value of TCC at any given time. The value of TCC is entirely determined by market supply and demand based on the consensus of the user community. We do not interfere in pricing and are not responsible for TCC price fluctuations. Investors and users should carefully consider before engaging in mining and trading. So, reward applications. TCC tokens can be used for payment within the TCC network ecosystem. So, there's going to be peer-to-peer, person-to-person, or peer-to-peer transaction without intermediaries, shopping and exchanging goods services on the marketplace, supporting decentralized projects. So, you can use the token when listed to purchase something online. So, this is what they are trying to say. Number 6, this is their roadmap. So their roadmap says 2024 to 2025 will be for develop the blockchain and mobile application, launch the mining program for early users, build the community and refine the economic model. Phase 2 is going to be between 2025 to 2026. That means this mining is going to take a long time. So between 2025 to 2026, they are going to launch the decentralized wallet, that's TCC wallet. So I think it's going to be ending of this year stroke early next year, to enable P2P transaction and integrate with decentralized exchanges, introduce the marketplace and initial reward applications. So phase 3 is what? Full integration and adoption. Partner with businesses to expand TCC token acceptance, upgrade infrastructure to support millions of users, expand applications in decentralized finance and smart contract. So their conclusion is this. They said TCC network is a promising blockchain project aiming to create a fair, secure, and accessible decentralized financial ecosystem with advanced technology and energy-efficient mining model and reward applications. TCC tokens is set to become a valuable digital asset in the global digital economy. So here is their white paper. We have gone through it. One of the issues we used to have in the airdrop space is that we don't used to investigate, we don't used to read their white paper. But for you to know the aim of a project, for you to know the potential of any project, you have to go through their white paper. So that's it for the white paper. So I'm going to tell you now how you can register. For you to register, I'm going to drop the link in the comment section. This is not the app, it's just the website. So I'll drop the link, you click on it, you register. When you put once it displayed your listing, once you click on the link, don't click on the box when it says type of account or type account. Just go to sign up and create new account. So that is how to register on this platform. And don't forget to also refer people, bring your brothers and sisters into it. If you have 2 phones, you can have 2 accounts, but make sure you don't register with the same name because of KYC in the future, because you can't use one identity card to verify 2 accounts. So I'll be dropping the link for you to register, and don't forget to like the video. Make sure you like and also share the video. Thank you.